Snake stuck in your drain after days of fighting to unclog it? Here's what to do when your plumbing snake is jammed deep inside the pipe and just won't budge, even after yanking, running the motor, or trying every trick you've seen on YouTube. Alright, so first thing, don't panic, because this honestly happens more than people think, especially with those long, heavy snakes that can tangle or catch on roots or broken spots. You want to try pushing the snake further in a little bit instead of just pulling. Like, sometimes if it's caught up on something, working it back and forth can loosen whatever's holding it. If your snake has reverse, run it that way for a few seconds to see if it helps untwist and slide free. Make sure the drum or motor part is as close to the drain opening as possible. If you're working from under a cabinet or around a corner, you lose a ton of torque and just end up twisting the cable instead of actually moving it. If you've got access to the pipes under the house, like in a crawl space, check there and see if the snake poked through anywhere weird. Sometimes it finds a break and just keeps going into dirt, which is not great, but at least you'll know what happened. If pushing and pulling doesn't do the trick, you can try using another snake to hook or push from another direction, but honestly, that's hit or miss and takes some luck. Keep an eye out for any signs of pipe damage. If you're on a slab foundation or you suspect the pipe is broken or collapsed, it's going to be hard to fix without some pro help. If you've tried everything and nothing's working, yeah, it might be time to call a plumber before you damage the pipe or make things worse. One of the top mistakes with a stuck plumbing snake is just yanking as hard as possible without checking if it's snagged on something like a tree root or broken pipe. Using gentle back and forth motions first can keep you from making things worse. Another common issue is using the wrong bit or auger head for your drain type. An aggressive cutter can get tangled super easy in old pipes, so always match the head to your situation for better results. The third big problem is not positioning the snake drum close enough to the drain opening. If you're several feet away, you lose power and just end up twisting the cable in place. So always keep the machine as close as you can to maximize force and control. BigHomeProjects.com totally makes life easier for homeowners by letting you quickly search for honest local contractors who actually get good reviews and show up when they say they will. If you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get steady work from real people in your area who need legit help with stuff like tough plumbing jobs. So both sides win, honestly.